Hello and welcome to our Samoan language tutorial video 2. And today we're looking at the pronouns, the first person pronoun singular, o, which is I, and au, meaning me or I personally. So let's look at some of the examples. Oteva I see. Uh, Oteva I see. Oteinu I drink. Ote I eat. Ote moe, I sleep. Ote alu, I go. Ote nofo, I sit or I live. And let's look at me and I personally. Oa'u ole Samoa. Oa'u ole Samoa. So literally that would translate, it is me, a Samoan. Or I personally am a Samoan, but in the simple English is I'm Samoan. Sau ia te au. Come to me, come to me. E alofa tina ia te au. Mom or mother loves me. O au e te ufale. I personally tidy the house. Or it's me personally who tidies the house. Tala noa mai ia te au. Talk to me. Um, so I know that sometimes we hear people on the other side of the phone, when it rings and say, "Oh, hi, Tala, it's me." Tala for Tala, wow. Isn't it frustrating when you have no idea who's talking? But that's it. It's me. Wow. And I just want to share for those advanced students who may be listening the answer to the question that we often hear: O fea e te alu I ai, or e te alu I fea. Where are you going? O fea e te alu I ai. Where are you going? Sometimes you hear e te alu I fea, and that would just literally translate as you're going where? You're going where? E te alu I fea? Or fea? The answer is o te alu I. So when you say I, it points directly to a country, a city, a village, or a directionals, like north, south, east, and west. Um, or you're going to like activities in their plurality, like I'm going to the games, going to dancing, to the dances. But when it's singular, then you would just go with the next category. O te alu ile fale. I'm going home. O te alu ile a onga. I'm going to school. Or I'm going to the car. O te alu ile ta'avale. That o te alu ile ta'avale can also mean I'm taking the car or I'm driving. It also means that you're just going to the car to get something. O te alu ile ta'avale. Same thing with o te alu ile pasi. It's either you're going to the bus that is parked in your garage, get something, or you're taking the bus, or you're driving the bus. Ile masina, I'm going to the moon. And then when it's singular, sports, o te alu ile ta'alonga. I'm going to the game. O te alu ile sipa. I'm going to the dance. Ile. So anything that is not related to e is ile. Um, and then we come to the third category of Otealu Ia. So Ia is a person. So here you are, Otealu Ia Uncle Sam. I'm going to Uncle Sam. Otealu Ia Luka. Oh, I'm going to Luka. And that's mostly it. But if we move the sentence around and say, or America, now America is first. O America o te alu iai. And then, you know, America is where I go. So everything that follows, all these categories here, moved out, but we put iai there at the end. So o le ta'alonga, o te alu iai. O sione o te alu iai. O toma o te alu iai. O le fale o Simi o te alu ia. It's Simi's house I go to. So I just wanted to point that out for advanced students. Otherwise, have a good one, ladies and gentlemen. See you in the next video.